A city where darkness has a color.
Take me to the nightlife stage.
Where people find a thrill.
You know where we can meet?
For those who take the opportunity.
What are you really up to, Dana?
Honest, no usual place. You will be surprised.
For them, it is the place to be. The moving sound of a band that's playing.
Where are you, man?
I'm real close, Jack.
A yellow rose.
Friends meet round midnight. They call it nightlife, and it's the best place to be for live music. Nightlife, live music, all year round.
Yeah, I gotta tell James about this place.
So be prepared. It's coming soon.